What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hot off the press, I've got something that I am absolutely excited about. I've been waiting for this tool when it first announced it would come out. This is a cordless power washer, pressure washer, whatever you want to call it, by DeWALT. 550 PSI. You can draw water from a hose. You can draw fresh water from a 5-gallon bucket. This powerful little power washer pushes out 1 gallon per minute, which is pretty crazy, to be honest. The amount of technology they pack into this. I mean, 550 PSI is fantastic. It's more than enough to do an array of different things, such as clean off your tile saws, clean off your tools, spray off the driveway. You don't need an extension cord, power, electricity. You don't need a hose with fresh water, a bucket of water, 5-gallon bucket of water. Put the hose in the bucket of water and then you're good to go. This thing delivers 10 times the power of a garden hose. It has a quick connector adapter if you want to use a garden hose. It includes multiple adapters which store right here at the top. It has a housing here for your 5Ah battery. We have a fully charged 5Ah battery as well as a flex volt. We're gonna quickly unbox this and test it on a tile saw right out there. Spray down the rims on my truck. Just see what kind of pressure and power this thing puts out. This thing has 2 speeds for more power or more runtime. All right, guys, let's get right to it, not waste any more time. Bring the camera up close, unbox it, plug a battery in it, go in the back, and we're gonna test it out. Here we go. So here it is, guys. This is what's included: a hose, a foam cannon, as well as accessories for different types of spraying. Attaches at the top. I've got to admit, I mean, the amount of technology they packed into this thing, 550 PSI, much stronger than the current Ryobi that's out right now. I believe that's at 320 PSI, but I mean, the construction looks good. I have yet to open this. Very excited. Here we go. And here we are, folks. Instructions, your 20-foot hose. I mean, this hose, right off the bat, very, very flexible compared to my Ryobi pressure washer hose. That's very nice, guys, right there. That's very nice. Your wand. Here is your small foam cannon. You add your soap in here. We will test this out as well. And here is the unit. Oh man, look at that. Looks good. Feels light. Oh yeah, baby. That is nice. So again, they have housing right here to protect your batteries. There we are. A latch housing. It looks like this will hold and house a flex volt battery. Accessories are here. A nice bag that's included to hold everything together. This will go in our very large DeWALT box. That's the cool thing about this. Easy transportation. It will be used on a daily basis when we remodel our bath and showers. You got tips. Let's get this box out of the way. Here we go. It feels like DeWALT quality. Absolutely very, very nice. You insert your tips here at the top. Again, very nice. You can use this around the house as well. Fences, siding, you name it. There is your 2 speeds here. High, low, high pressure, low pressure for longer run time. Okay. There we are. Feels very lightweight. Of course, it does not have a battery in it. Solid construction by DeWALT. Let's grab a battery and see how easy it is to insert the battery in this case here. Piece of cake. 5 AH battery. Six amp flex volt battery. Nice and snug. Good balance with one hand. Very, very quiet. Let's quickly show you how to connect the hose. Very simple. Adapter here. This is for your quick release hose. Install it on the bottom here. Quick release. Just like that. I mean, that is just so quick and easy and convenient. Got a bit of a filter here. You drop this into your 5-gallon bucket and you're ready to go. Let's go outside and test out this bad boy. So this awesome DeWALT power washer will replace our Ryobi. Lots of cords, lots of hoses. You need extension cord and freshwater line, a hose, in order to use it, in order to power wash or pressure wash anything. So again, this clean unit and setup is going to replace this absolute mess. Cords, hoses, the need for electricity, the need for fresh water. 5-gallon bucket, battery, hose. Let's test it out. I mean, the flexibility in this hose is just brilliant. High, low. And there we are. Oh yeah. Powerful. 550 PSI. Oh baby. That is nice. Quickly and efficiently clean your tile saws. Let's try it on a truck rim. And of course the included foam cannon. Quick connect. Switch it to low. Well, there it is, guys. Solid unit by DeWALT. Power washer, 550 PSI, 1 gallon per minute. It's very powerful. It feels like it's built very, very well. Built to last. Compatible with 20 volt, compatible with flex volt. It almost appears that it will easily fit our 9 amp flex volt battery right in here. Waterproof compartment. You have storage up here for your accessories. Extremely flexible hose. Quick connect for a hose, garden hose, fresh water, as well as a foam cannon included. Great deal, great unit. It's definitely going into our large DeWALT box. Very happy with this. We are going to use this unit on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Thank you for watching. As usual, don't forget to subscribe down there. Tap the like button if you enjoyed this video and if you want to help my channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.